This video is about NFV architecture. First, we will talk about the high-level NFV framework, and then explore each component in detail. The NFV framework consists of 4 components: NFV infrastructure, virtualized network functions, the OSS/BSS layer, management and network orchestration unit. First, we will talk about NFV infrastructure. It is a kind of cloud data center containing hardware and virtual resources that build up the NFV environment. These include servers, switches, virtual machines, and virtual switches. The first part of the NFV infrastructure is the hardware resources. These include computing resources such as servers, RAM, storage resources such as disk storage, NAS, and network resources such as switches, firewalls, and routers. The second part of the NFV infrastructure is the virtualization layer. The virtualization layer abstracts the hardware resources and decouples the software from the hardware. This enables the software to progress independently from the hardware. For the virtualization layer, we can use multiple open source and proprietary options such as KVM, QEMU, VMware, and OpenStack. The third part of the NFV infrastructure is the virtualized resources. These include virtual compute, virtual storage, and virtual network. The second component of the NFV architecture is the virtualized network functions. The VNFs are basic building blocks in the NFV architecture. They are software implementation of network functions. VNFs can be connected or combined together as building blocks to offer a full-scale network communication service. This is known as service chaining. Examples of VNF include vIMS, vFirewall, and vRouter. The third component of the NFV architecture is the Management and Network Orchestration Unit, also referred to as MANO. MANO has 3 parts. The first part of the NFV MANO is known as the Virtualized Infrastructure Manager. The Virtualized Infrastructure Manager controls and manages the interaction of VNF with NFVI compute, storage, and network resources. It also has necessary deployment and monitoring tools for the virtualization layer. The second part of the NFV MANO is also the VNF Manager. The VNF Manager manages the lifecycle of VNF instances. It is responsible to initialize, update, query, scale, and terminate VNF instances. The third part of the NFV MANO is known as the orchestrator. The orchestrator manages the life cycle of network services, which includes instantiation, policy management, performance measurement, and KPI monitoring. The last component of the NFV architecture is the OSS/BSS layer. OSS deals with network management, fault management, configuration management, service management, and element management. BSS deals with customer management, operations management, order management, billing, and revenue management. So this gives a basic idea about all the components of the NFV architecture. Thank you for watching this video.